Hi, myself Goutami Mishra. I am an artist. Today I am going to show you how to paint a Royal Bengal tiger. This is time-lapse painting. If you want to view complete tutorial, then you can visit my website www.goutamimishra.com. In this tutorial, first I have sketched a tiger and then I have started painting on it. Here we have to create many layers. So first I'm starting with base layer. First I'm painting eyes of tiger, and for this I have used black color for outer sides, and for inner section I have used yellow, camel blue, and black also again for pupil. So I have also used a little bit burnt sienna over here for corners. So first I am creating outer sections, then with black color, then we will paint a purple, and then I'm on center I'm painting with blue color, which is going to be merged with yellow and turn into green. And because tiger eyes are of different colors, like some tiger eyes is little bit greenish, some are of orange color. So here I am using yellow and blue for making it little bit greenish and yellow. Then to show light effect on its eyes, I will add more yellow color, and I will add highlight later on. Also we have to show light reflection on pupil. So for light reflection I have used white mixed with little bit blue color. Then I have started painting its base layer. A tiger first is divided into three colors mostly. Royal Bengal tiger or Sumatran tiger, its color is in mostly in three colors. They are mostly yellowish, brown, and white, and black stripes over their body. So for this I have used burnt sienna, burnt umber, and little bit ivory black for a darker shade of brown, and for a darker shade of white I have used white mixed with titanium white mixed with ivory black and little bit blue. And for black stripes I have used mostly black color. You can also mix little bit blue in this, or for shadow, but later on we will add shadow and light effect on these sections. First I'm painting base layer, and base layer should be darker because it is covered with fur, so it is darker. And then we will add fur over here on base layer, and for creating smooth and very furry look we will add multiple layers of fur in this painting. So first we have to define shape and structure of tiger. Mostly for this you can use any reference picture of tiger face. Mostly their texture are similar, but little bit differences in each and every tiger, but their structures are mostly similar. How stripes are moving on their face, how there is a black and other white and brown texture on its face. They are quite similar in most of the tigers. So here I am using white bristle brushes for creating base layer. It is better to use white bristle for base layer because it will create rough texture, and it will look like that you are creating hair itself on base layer also. You can choose a size of brushes according to the area, according to the size of tiger, or according to the area size which you are defining. Like here I am using smaller brushes. Later on when I will got like on leg and other areas, I will use bigger brushes. If I have to cover a bigger area with the same color, then I will use bigger brushes. Move brushes, like you are creating fur itself on base layer also. It will be better if you are preparing for creating fur on from base layer also, because we have to create many layers for this. So if we start with first layer, then it will be better. It will give smudge effect of of hair. So move brush according to the direction of hair. Like this outer layer section is a beard of tiger, so I have moved brush accordingly, and it should look like hair in outer section. Now then I am painting nostril of tiger, and its nostril color is mostly pink, and it is almost same in most of the animals, like in tiger and lion also, or any other like cat also, or in dog. You can see that their nostrils are almost same. They are little bit embossed in center, and jaw is attached with it. So for nostril I am using skin color. For creating skin color, you can use titanium white mixed with red and yellow. You can also mix little bit burnt sienna and burnt umber, yellow ochre, to give some shade of darker and lighter skin tones. You can get also ready-made skin tone colors in market. Now I am moving to painting ear. So you can see that I am changing little bit from my sketching, that when I created this face, then I think that this position what I have given previously is not fine. So you can change later on also. That's why I created a rough sketch of it with burnt sienna and brush itself. So right now I am just creating its base layer. Then we will add more hair and texture and this Bengal tiger. I have also painted background with black color. There's a flat background with black color. You can give any texture, little bit textures of. You can also add little bit light in outer section. It all depends on your creativity. And currently I have just painted black for background. Then I will add little bit light in this. For leg also we can use we have to use same colors, and leg also divided into 3 colors, like brown and white. There are texture of brown and white, and also there is stripes, black stripes on leg. So first I have defined base layer, and then I smudged all these colors with bigger brushes. For leg I am using bigger brush because I have to cover larger area, and the leg this leg is in darker side, so it is more darker, and second leg is in front side, then it will be lighter, and I will also show white texture on it. Now I have started painting a fur on base layer. Here I am using oil color. You can also use acrylic colors. It is same for oil and acrylic in for painting tiger, because we are creating fur and adding different layers on it. You can also use color pencils for painting this tiger. So here you have to observe that there are length of hair is different for each and every section, like length on hair or fur of a tiger is shorter around eyes, and it is larger around outer section of face. So accordingly you have to paint fur. For around nose will be will be smaller than other places. So I am creating fur with each and every section, like for white color, for white section, for black, and for brown section. So now I am using lighter version of each color, like for white I am using more mixing more titanium white and a little bit black or blue in this. And for brown section fur I am using burnt sienna with mixed with yellow ochre, and you can mix little bit titanium white also, but we should not use very light color at this stage, because we have to paint many layers of fur. So we will add lighter fur on top, and we will add make highlights also. So use little bit lighter on each layer. Now for fur I have used round brushes of size 1 also, and also I am using angular brushes at some places. You can check on from which brush you are more comfortable. Mostly for larger hair we can use round brushes also, or for if you want more hold then you can use round brushes. Depending on your choice, you can try with both in which you are more comfortable, and mostly I am using both at some places. At some places I am using angular, and for a smaller one also, and for a little bit bigger I am using round brushes. But if you want more hold at some places, more prominent hairs, then you should use round brushes. So you can see that hair around nose are more smaller, and they are smaller and they are softer. So for that I have used angular brush, and we will change color according to the base color. And like if base color is brown, then I am using lighter brown color mixed with yellow ochre for creating fur. And also for shadow section you should mix little bit more brown instead of yellow ochre. So according to light, like here you can see that the right section is more lighter, and left section is darker. So accordingly I will change colors and I will choose colors accordingly. Now I'm painting beard of tiger, so its fur will be, or its hair will be longer. For this I am using round brush, and I am using titanium white mixed with little bit black and little bit blue. You should keep in mind direction of the fur, like mostly fur below eyes are in downward direction, and fur above eyes are mostly in upward direction. After creating fur, you can smudge it little bit with any soft brush, or you can smudge it with angular brush also. With clean soft angular brush you can smudge it little bit, and then we can move it for next layer. Now you can see that I have started next layer of fur, and this time furs are more prominent, and I am using more brighter color. Like for white, I have used more titanium white, and also for brown I have used more yellow ochre mixed in burnt sienna. So for black you can mix little bit titanium white in black, or little bit blue also for darker light sections. You can give shades with those. So here I have already my black is less dark, so I will use more ivory black for this. Also mix some linseed oil and turpentine oil in color to make fine lines, fine furs, and longer fur. For ear, mostly their fur is longer, so I will create longer and curvy, so I will create free form hairs for ear. Now I am painting for around legs. You can see that I am painting for around brown side, brown color. So this will be lighter brown and texture, and you can use angular brushes or round brushes again according to your choice. If you have to mostly create more dense or not very clear prominent hair, then you should use angular brushes. And if you want to paint some prominent furs, then you should use round brushes. So add some highlights in between, like some will be just smudged with previous layer, and some will be prominent. So by this technique you can create more layer of fur. And if you want, you can visit my website www.goutamimishra.com to see complete tutorial of this painting or other paintings. Here now I am painting mustache of Royal Bengal tiger. So for this I am using a more bigger round brush. It is of size 3, or you can use size 2 or 3 round brush, and use titanium white mixed with linseed oil and turpentine oil, and make some hard longer hair around it. It is same as you can see in cats also. There are mustache around their jaw and nostrils. So make some longer hair and prominent longer curvy hair here. It is not much curvy, it is mostly straight, but little bit curve over here. So the more layer you add, the more fine it will look. So you have to keep patience in this, and then you will get a beautiful result of it. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more videos and updates, and also you can visit my website www.goutamimishra.com. Thank you for watching.